Snow piled high past the window pane. I'm at my desk going slightly insane. Yellow pad and a dull note too, trying to plan what needs to be done once summer comes. Spreadsheets open, coffee gone cold, budget numbers getting bold. Thought I'd finally caught my breath. Then the tax man tapped me on my back. Winter plans and our best plans, scratching numbers with frozen hands. Thought the hard part was behind. Then April came for what was mine. From demo dust to insurance calls, climbing paperwork and a mountain of walls. We just plug away, do what we can, melt that stress like a snowman. Last year's storm took the workshop down. Copper composite and timber scattered around. Fought with adjusters, forms and claims. Felt like a never-ending game. But friends showed up with boots and gloves. Family carried us with love. Now it's standing tight and square. Wind can howl, we're still right here. Winter plans and our best plans, scratching numbers with frozen hands. Thought the hard part was behind. Then April came for what was mine. From demo dust to insurance calls, climbing paperwork in a mountain of laws. We just plug away, do what we can, melt that stress like a snowman. Just got it closed and doors hung tight. Still wiring, benches, lots to write. Tools are scattered in every shed. I make a map inside my head. Nursery dreams wait patiently, berry rose and hazelnut bushes. Seedlings sleep beneath the snow, ready to put on a springtime show. Then there's a house we dearly love, needs new trim and paint above. One more project, one more list, added to the pile I missed. Thea laughs and shakes her head. Slow down, big boy, is what she said. We take a breath, let worry slide, and watch the snow drift off the side. Winter plans and our best plans, do the best with what God hands. From busted veins to brand new starts, faith and grit and grateful hearts. There's more to do, there always is, but peace lives in days like this. We chip away, just me and my clan, melting stress where the snow banks ran. Spring will come, it always does. Till then, it's budgets, love, and sawdust.